So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make your Snapchat account private. So for this, first of all, open your Snapchat application and then tap on your profile, which is available in the top left side, and then tap on the settings gear, which is available in the top right side. After that, scroll down your page friends, and here you will find our option of your public profile settings. Simply tap on this option, and here scroll down your page and then tap on the clear and receipt profile, and then tap on the clear option. So guys, when you tap on the clear option, then your public profile will be receipt. That means your public profile picture, bio, your spotlight, everything will be clear. So if you want to make your Snapchat account private, then tap on the clear option, and after that simply scroll down your page, and friends, here simply tap on see me in find friends, this option. And guys, here if this option is unable in your Snapchat settings, then tap this option and disable this option, because when you disable this option, then your Snapchat profile will be not suggested to other Snapchatter. So guys, if you have any question or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.